If you want to start selling on Squarespace, one of the first things you need to know is how to add products the right way in Squarespace 7.1 Commerce. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can create physical products, digital downloads, services, or gift cards without getting stuck. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Squarespace tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website you want to work on. Once you're inside your site settings, look over to the left-hand menu. You'll want to click Products and Services and then click Products. This is where all of your store items will live, and it's the main place you'll use to manage what customers see in your shop. Now, in the top right corner, click the Add Product button. Squarespace will give you a few different product types to choose from, and choosing the correct one is important because it tells Squarespace how to handle the item in your store. If you're selling something tangible that needs shipping, delivery, or pickup, choose Physical. This is perfect for things like clothing, books, accessories, or any other item that needs to be shipped to the customer. If you're selling files like PDFs, ebooks, music, templates, or other downloadable content, choose Digital Download. With this option, your customer will receive a secure download link by email, and that link expires after 24 hours, which helps protect your digital files. If you offer appointments, consultations, coaching calls, or classes, choose Service. This is ideal for anything that customers book or schedule rather than receive as a physical item. And if you want to sell store credit or vouchers, choose Gift Card. That lets customers purchase a digital gift card they can use toward items in your store later on. After selecting the correct product type, you'll move into the product editor. The first thing to do is add your title and description. Type in a clear product name that makes it easy for customers to understand exactly what you're selling. Then write a strong description using Squarespace's built-in rich text editor. This is your chance to explain the benefits, features, sizing, usage, or anything else that helps the customer feel confident about buying. Next, add your product images. Click Add Images and upload your photos. A great tip here is to use high-quality square images, which are 1:1 or landscape images, so your product catalog looks clean and consistent. Good images can make a huge difference in how professional your store feels and can help increase conversions. Now, let's move into pricing and inventory. Enter your selling price in the price field. Then, set your inventory count if you want Squarespace to track stock. If the product is a service or a digital download, you can usually toggle on unlimited instead, since those products aren't limited by physical stock in the same way a shipped product would be. If the item is on sale, Squarespace makes that easy too. Just turn on the on sale button and enter the discounted price. This is a simple way to highlight promotions, run special offers, or create urgency around a product launch. Once everything looks good and you've filled in all your details, take one final look through the product page to make sure the title, description, images, price, and inventory settings are correct. Then click the Save drop-down button in the top right corner to publish or save your product. And that's it. Your product is now added to Squarespace 7.1 Commerce. So now you know how to add physical products, digital downloads, services, and gift cards to your Squarespace store. If this walkthrough made the process easier, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, website tutorials, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.